Ever heard of a fintech bank? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I wanted to dive into a question I've seen popping up a lot lately in the comments. Can you actually write checks with a fintech bank account? Now, for those who aren't familiar, fintech, short for financial technology, refers to companies that use technology to deliver financial services. We're talking mobile banking apps, investment platforms, peer-to-peer payments, the whole digital shebang. So, fintech banks are basically banks that ditch the physical branches and operate entirely online. Sounds pretty convenient, right? But with convenience often comes limitations. One of the biggest things people wonder about with fintech banks is whether they offer the traditional check writing features of a regular bank. Let's use Novo as an example, a popular fintech bank known for its business-focused features. So, can you write a check with Novo? Straight to the point, no, you cannot write physical checks with a Novo bank account. Novo, and most fintech banks for that matter, don't offer check writing services. Why? Well, there are a couple of reasons. First, fintech banks are built around speed and efficiency. The whole idea is to streamline your finances through digital tools. Checks, on the other hand, are kind of the opposite. They take time to process, can get lost in the mail, and frankly, just feel a bit outdated in today's digital age. Second, security is a major concern. Since fintech banks operate entirely online, they prioritize robust security measures to protect your funds. Checks, with their inherent physicality, can be more vulnerable to fraud. But what if I absolutely need to use a check? Don't worry, there are still ways to get things done even without a checkbook. Here are a couple of alternatives. ACH transfers, this stands for Automated Clearing House. It's a safe and electronic way to transfer funds directly between bank accounts. Most businesses and organizations will happily accept ACH transfers these days. They're often faster and more secure than checks. Online bill pay, most fintech banks, including Novo, offer some form of online bill pay system. This allows you to schedule payments directly to your payee's account electronically. Prepaid debit cards, while not exactly a check, some fintech banks offer business debit cards that can be used for purchases where a check might be required. The bottom line: while writing a physical check might not be an option with Novo or many other fintech banks, there are plenty of secure and efficient digital alternatives available. Now, if you find yourself needing to use a check frequently, a fintech bank might not be the best fit for you. However, if you're looking for a streamlined and digital way to manage your finances, a fintech bank like Novo could be a great option. Ultimately, the choice depends on your individual needs and preferences. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.